Hello guys, welcome back. Your intrepid explorer in Fiji is in the town of Rekireki. Rekireki is on the north coast of the main island of Fiji. It's being BT labelled. Now, no disrespect to my to any followers on my YouTube channel who may be from Rekireki, but I find this town impossibly dull, except for a few things. One of which, over there, in the distance, is the Nakaulandra mountain range. Nakaulandra, if you remember from my previous vlogs, is the heart, the seat of Fijian mythology. It's Fiji's Mount Olympus. It's you know, it's Fiji's Stonehenge. It's Mount Olympus. It's I don't know. You know, it's just that everything coalesces about Fiji's ancient past in those mountains over there. So that's one of the things I like about this town. With all respect to my to any viewers who might be from Rekireki, it's a really dull town, but those mountains in the distance make it, give it a, you know, redeem it. That's one of its redeeming features, that you've got the Nakaulandra mountains in the background there. Anyway, so let's have a quick look around the town. There are a couple of other redeeming features about this town. I've got to take this thing off, sorry, it's just jangling around my neck. Another one of the redeeming features about Rekireki is that it has an interesting market. So we'll head in the direction of the main town centre, if you can call it that, but we'll stop over and visit the market. But I wanted to show you, oh, there is something else I'd like to show you about Rekireki, and that's the I have a good friend here who runs a stall. Somebody I met quite recently, and he runs a stall, a juice stall very close to the market, so we'll pop in and say hello to him a bit later. But let me just show you around the show you around the market, well, around the town centre first, and we'll show you around the market. Over there is the police station. How are you? Okay?
Yeah, good.
Yeah? Are you back at school? You're back at school now? Okay. How are you enjoying it?
Yes.
Yeah? It's okay? What school do you go to?
Huh?
What school?
Nakaulandra school.
Oh, okay, yeah, I've seen it on the main road. Yeah, yeah, okay, alright. Okay. Thanks, see you guys. Okay, so we've got Chris's shoe shop. Interesting. Chris's shoe shop. Like I said, it's a bit dull around here, but you know, it's got its redeeming features. Some redeeming features. Okay, we'll just continue having a look around here, and we'll head off. We'll cross the road. Okay. Let's get across here. Yeah, it's a bit noisy in these. That's what I hate about a lot of these towns, is that they are very noisy. But yes, that business about Nakavandra, the mountain range, Fiji's, you know, the seat of Fijian mythology is you know, it's one of those things I'm about to discover a bit later. I'm planning a trip up to Nakavandra with a friend, with Mike. You might have seen one of my earlier vlogs, a few of my earlier vlogs. So yeah, so this is the market. Before we go into the market, that's the market there. Before we go in, I'm going to take you to the other side of the town centre, just show you what it's like. Again, it's not the most exciting place in the world, but at least it's worth a look. Hello, how are you? Okay? Okay, so I've got a friend of mine just over there who runs he runs the a fruit juice stall, and we're going to see him in a minute, in a couple of minutes. But got a coffee shop. Hello, dear.
How are you?
Very. You do coffee here, don't you?
Yes, we do coffee.
Is it fresh coffee?
Yes.
Okay. How much is a cup of fresh coffee?
$1.
Okay, dear. I will have a cup of fresh coffee.
Take away?
I will have it here. Is it not? It's not from one of those tins. Is it?
No.
Okay. Okay. How are you? Doing all right? You're having your lunch. Am I disrupting you? You're not having your. You're in the middle of lunch, are you?
Yes.
An early lunch.
Early lunch.
Okay.
Early lunch. Early lunch.
And you've got some interesting
Pie?
cakes. What is it, dear? What is that?
We call this pie.
You just call it pie.
Yes. Pastry.
Okay. Okay. There you are, dear.
So we.
I was spoilt for choice.
She's from Nandronga. I'm from Thailand.
Oh, okay.
This is Ra.
This is Ra, I know,
Yes.
yeah. And what school do you teach at, dear?
Malacca Village School.
In
on the
Ra?
island.
On the island?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. How'd you get there from?
You know Malacca Landing? Just.
Yeah.
And then you catch a boat from there, then you go out to the island.
Okay, you can't go on Sundays, can you?
You can.
Can you go on Sundays? But it's Singatamu on Sundays, isn't
Yeah,
it?
Singatambo on Sunday.
So it's
But you can come as a visitor to one of the
okay.
houses.
Yeah. Okay, dear. I might do that. Not. I might go during the week or something. Be
Yes,
easier.
come. You
Get to
can
speak
come.
to people, you know.
Yes.
Yeah.
Have you heard about that story about Deep Chan?
Deep Chung, no.
The two sisters that went missing?
Oh,
out on
okay.
the
Sounds like a
island?
horror story.
It was on the island at the back.
Oh, really? Okay. Okay. I thought you were going to tell me some
No.
mythological story about.
No.
Okay.
It's a nice village.
Yeah, no, that's fine, dear. No, I
White
will.
sandy beach.
Yeah, no, I'm about to embark on a.
Where do you live here in Rakiraki?
I've just driven in today. I've just driven here
Okay.
today. But I've just I like this town because of
The owner
Naka-
of this coffee shop is living in Australia.
Oh, okay. All right, dear. There you go.
I just give
There's
you
no sugar, is there?
Yeah, no sugar. I just give you a change.
Thank you, dear. Yeah, no, I like Nakavandra mountain range in the background.
Oh yes.
You know?
That's a nice.
I'm going to climb it soon. Thank you, dear.
Oh, okay.
So I thought I'd introduce my YouTube
Wow.
viewers to.
Oh, so you on YouTube?
I'm on
Wow.
YouTube, yes.
Now kita live tenaga.
So
Okay, so what? Where should we go on to?
how do I
What should we
drink this?
type?
Oh, okay. It's called the Pale Blue Dot. The Pale.
P-O-W-E-L-L.
P-A-E-E. So P-A-L-E.
P-A-L-E.
Blue Dot.
Blue dot. Okay.
So this
So
is.
I'll check it out.
Thank you, dear. I do a lot of vlogs about Fiji.
Okay.
I want to cover eventually. Hello. What's your name? Bunny. Bunny? Okay. I love the little blonde streak she's got there. It's natural? Natural, the blonde streak? Over here? Varney's blonde streak.
Streaks?
Her streak, she's got a blonde streak. Can you come here? Come. She's got this beautiful blonde streak here. That's natural, isn't it? Eh?
No, we buy it for $5 everything, and then we just plot it out.
Oh, I thought it was natural.
No.
Okay. I thought it was because there's a strong tradition of Melanesians with blonde hair.
Yes,
you know.
Yes.
You know.
But now, now no, they get it from the chemist.
You dyed it. Okay. All right, dear. I'm just gonna have a little wander around.
Okay.
And so,
thank you so much
thank
for
you, dear.
buying.
It's a lovely little coffee shop you've got
And
here.
you
It's
have
very
a
interesting.
blessed day.
Thank you, dear.
Thank you.
All right. Wow, so you can do quite a bit here. You can have. So you've got fried fish with lolo. Wow, this looks really appetizing. You know.
When you come to the island, then we'll make fish for you.
Okay. All right. Do you live on the island?
Yes. We both live on the island.
Okay. M&M delights. All right, dear. Okay, so it's very noisy in this town. But anyway, let's try the coffee. I hardly ever have milk in my coffee, but she put powdered milk in. It's still quite hot. Yeah, I always have my coffee black. I drink espressos for the most part. But anyway, let's have a look at this this crazy town. Let's see what's going on over here. There's a building that's being demolished. That staircase there, that's all that's left of the building. Will make a fascinating photograph. Okay guys, I'm back. Finished off the coffee. Now, I still find this little slither of a building that's left over from the demolition compelling. It's it's just absolutely fascinating. The idea that there are all that's left is just this bit here with the stairs going up to nowhere has kind of got me fascinated. Yeah, it's a fascinating tableau. And I've taken some pictures as well. Anyway, let's continue. So we've got the Ra bookshop, no less. Okay, Paddy's Market. I'd like to take you into one of these shops, but they're just so dark. It's just so dark and cavernous inside that it doesn't seem worth my while. Okay, we've got a queue to get into the supermarket. I think there are still COVID restrictions in place. There are still COVID restrictions in place for the numbers who can enter supermarkets, and so I suspect that queue is the queue is for people wanting to get inside the supermarket. Anyway, so we've got what looks like a new shop here with Happy Diwali. It was Diwali 2 days ago, and there were lots of fireworks near to where I stay. Yeah, so here we go. This is so watch where you're walking here. Okay. There's nothing going on here anyway. Okay, so we've got Fiji Revenue and Customs Service. Okay, and I still can't get over the fact we've got Nakavandra in the background. It's almost as if it's within touching distance. You know, you feel as if I can just reach out and just touch it. So that's Nakavandra in the background. That's one of my future projects. Hopefully it should be sometime soon. We're going to climb Nakavandra. You've seen me in some of my earlier vlogs where I've done a bit of climbing up small mountains and what have you. And yeah, Nakavandra is the Everest of climbs. So that's one of my future projects. There's a bit of planning involved. I have to. We've got to do the service, so we've got to do a formal presentation of ourselves to the village, the Matangali. That there are various Matangalis that own various aspects of the traditional landowners of Nakavandra. Bula, how are you? Okay. What are you up to?
Go and want to get my photos.
Oh, okay. Why are you going somewhere?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Aussie.
Oh, okay. What to work?
To the apples and.
Oh, okay. You're going to pick fruit.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So you got your visa and everything.
Yeah.
And so you're ready to go.
Yeah.
And whereabouts are you from? Which village are you from?
In Matasu.
Okay. 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 So you're getting your photo done now.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. Take care, eh? Good luck for the future.
God bless.
Thank you. You too. So that chap's off to pick fruit in Australia. There are seasonal visas that are open to people from Fiji to go out to Australia. But anyway, so we've come full circle. Let's head off to the market. We've come full circle, and now we're. Let me just show you this very quickly. This is a nightclub that used to be, I've been told, it used to be a cinema. So that's a nightclub that used to be a cinema. Yeah, let's head off to the market and let's meet up with my friend Vitali. He's a Fijian friend with a Russian sounding name. Lovely guy. Okay, so can we go to the market through here? You can, eh? You can go to the market, eh? I like the t-shirt, being Fijian. Okay, thanks. Okay, I should point out that Fiji is in the process of organising itself for upcoming elections. They haven't been announced yet, but you can see there are these banners that have gone up all over the place. Another one over here asking you to register. Hola! How are you?
Fine, thank you.
You got a lot of mangoes there. You're okay, take care. Okay, as you can see, everybody's extremely friendly. I don't know if you can see it, but there is a lot of ash in the air, and that ash is usually from cane farms being burnt. What happens is either before, and I think it's more usually the case after a harvest, cane farmers burn sugarcane fields. To facilitate the growing of sugarcane for the next season. But okay, let's go to the market and let's meet up with my friend Vitali, my Fijian friend with the Russian sounding name. Okay, so here we are. This is Vitali's stall. How are you, Vitali? So, Vitali, why are your hands all red? Oh, from the juice. Oh, okay. So, tell me, Vitali, what have you got here? You've got
Strawberry tang.
Strawberry tang.
Strawberry tang and orange.
Orange? That's
fruit.
That's orange.
Yeah,
no, that's
orange.
lime.
Lime, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Good friend of mine, Vitali. So you got lime, and you wash your hands in there. Just okay.
And pineapple.
Okay, let's have a look at the pineapple. I'll just come around this way, Vitali. So Vitali, you haven't told me why you have a Russian sounding name. You have it's very Russian, your name. Okay, let me just get through here. And so Vitali has got all these. He's got what's this one here, Vitali?
This one, kumquat.
Kumquat. Oh, okay, kumquat. Okay, that's a kumquat juice, and that looks like orange. Who's the best, Vitali? Yes? Sorry? Okay. Okay, so that's kumquat, Vitali. Okay, so you've got kumquat juice, and you've got, what's this one? This is orange or pineapple.
What's
this one here?
This one is the orange flavor.
Orange flavor. Okay. All right.
Marima is the orange flavor.
Okay. Vitali has a beautiful car, a very eccentric looking car, and that's going to be the subject of one of my upcoming vlogs, is Vitali and his eccentric car. But Vitali, I'm just going to go into the market.
Okay, sir, thank
you.
Have a great day.
Vaileka. Okay, so this is the main market in Rekireki. Just going to have a quick look inside. Got a hello dear, how are you? Okay. I saw you waving at me. Yeah, no, I know. Yes. Hey, I'm just going to have a little wander around the market, dear. Okay.
Good.
I love the salu salu. Yeah, it's beautiful. Did you make it yourself?
No, I bought it from somebody, one lady sitting at the back.
Oh, okay. Whereabouts is she? Is she over in that direction?
No, on the other side.
Oh, okay. I'll see if I can get hold of her. Okay, so we're in the main market of Rekireki market. And it's pretty much your bog standard market. Of course, you've got decoration left over from Diwali. Decoration left over from Diwali?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Babu's Kava. Okay, Babu.
Babu's cover.
Babu, you have, yeah. How much is this one, Babu? This is a beautiful one, isn't it? It'll make a very good Cebu Cebu, wouldn't it? This one, eh?
Yeah.
How much is this one?
This one all?
Yeah, the whole thing.
Whole thing is 180 baht.
108. You can do a special?
70 again.
Oh, okay. I'll have a look and wander around first, Babu. Thank you. Oh, you have smaller ones here, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
One is small one.
This is very good for Cebu Cebu, isn't it? Eh?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Babu. I might come back for one of these ones, eh?
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Babu. Okay, that's Babu and his kava, his yangona. Let's go and have a look at the view from the top. Bulaboso, how are you? Okay. Gonna look at the view from the top. How are you doing? Having your lunch?
Come and have lunch.
Thank you, dear. What are you having? Curry? Chicken curry? Now, alas, at this point my camera stopped recording, so I couldn't continue this really illuminating and fascinating part of the vlog on Rekireki market, on which you no doubt were glued. However, there is a postscript coming up. Okay, quick postscript, guys. Fiji used to have numerous sugarcane mills back at the end of the 19th century, at the turn of the 20th century. There used to be quite a few sugar mills in Fiji. Then they were consolidated, and eventually there were only 4 major sugar mills in Fiji, run by an Australian company called the CSR, the Colonial Sugar Refinery. Eventually they were bought out by the Fiji government and they became the Fiji Sugar Corporation. Now, of those 4, one has closed down. It's been closed for a couple of years now, and this is it here. We're at the site of the Penang Mill in Rekireki, and I'll just give you a quick glimpse of what it looks like. There is a derelict mill just further on. I'll show you that in a minute, but these are the headquarters of the old mill. We've just come across that bridge over there, and just over here is the site of the old Penang Mill, which used to be Fiji's 4th sugarcane miller. This used to be the site of the 4th sugarcane mill in Fiji. Now there are only 3. There's one in Bar, one in Latoka, and one in Lambasa. But yep, this used to be the 4th. This used to be the 4th mill, and it's been closed for a couple of years now. I did hear that they were demolishing it, and it is partially demolished. It used to be a much bigger structure, but there you go. That's what's left of Fiji's 4th mill here in Penang in Rekireki. Just a little bit further from the mill are the old residences of the sugarcane mill of Penang Mill.